Ashley. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Bursts of Sunshine. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and stick around for all of the adventures to come. Here you'll find all kinds of content from crafts to DIYs to maybe recipes and even maybe the occasional just silly random video thrown in here and there. I'm very passionate about many things and I'm always trying new hobbies and projects. So join along as we create, craft, and laugh our way through life. I am not at all a professional at anything, so everything I do is always a journey and an experience and an experiment, as I'm just winging it, trying to learn new things and have a good time while I'm doing it. Sometimes I mess up and I have big fails and things don't always work out my way, and then other times, sometimes things work out great. So subscribe and stick around so you can enjoy this journey of experiments and experiences and crafting and just living life like a burst of sunshine.